Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2017 17 plate S-Line Audi A5. Obviously convertible, finished in Tango Red, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. Now, we actually have the pleasure of knowing this vehicle quite well. We supplied it to the previous owner, a very good customer of ours who part exchanged it back in for something slightly larger. But a lovely car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. It's in superb order. Recently just had cam belt and water pump replacements as well. Service history is very, very good on the car. LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera. We're riding on upgrade alloy wheels. These are the lovely 19-inch multi-spokes with the sort of graphite grey detailing in the centres. Specification wise, massive spec car. So coming through to the rear, we've got rear parking sensors and reversing camera. Nice lower diffuser. We've got the wind deflector with the vehicle as well, so these, they get lost all the time. You put them in the shed, you forget about them, part exchange your car, or you sell it on and it never goes back into the car. We've got the original Audi first aid kits, that's all in there. We've got the lovely netting as well, that tends to get lost or damaged. Under there we've got a space saver spur wheel. We've got split folding rear seats. Inside is the S-Line sports interior, so it's a half leather, half suede cloth seat, which looks superb. So we've got S-Line embossed, looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, very nice order, lovely pattern down the centre, a breathable yet grippy material which keeps you in place. We've got comfortable seating for two in the back, Isofix in the bottom there also. It's a 3-zone climate control car, so your driver, your front passenger and the people in the rear, you can all have different climates. We've got the Alcantara following through on the door cards, brushed aluminium detailing all throughout the car. Fit and finish is absolutely second to none. We've got heated mirrors, 4 electric windows, obviously central locking, automatic lights, automatic wipers, as you'd expect on a car of this calibre. We've got a leather multifunction steering wheel. We've got the virtual cockpit on this one also, so satellite navigation, really easy to follow. And then if you flick through, we've got our full trip computer, all your media's on there also, fully interchangeable, you can really have a play around with it. We've got cruise and limiter. Obviously you've still got a lovely centre screen on this one, so we've got satellite navigation, we've got the reversing camera as you just saw, car information, sound where you can adjust the bass, the treble, multimedia, full phone connectivity, so we've got Audi smartphone interface, Audi Connect, heated front seats, full drive select there also. We've got a little Audi sort of bin, I suppose, central scroll wheel and the buttons around it for the media. We've got the buttons for the roof there also, so I've only pressed it for a matter of seconds, roof's already up, so I'll show you around that in just a moment. Silky smooth auto box, you've got drive, you've got sport, flick it to the side, you can drive it manually, press it back into park and you're sorted. Electric parking brake, central armrest which is in nice order, 12 volt power outlet there also, but it's not been smoked in. You can tell it's been well cared for. All the leather's in nice order, the gear shifter, the steering wheel, the entryways, all the brushed aluminium detailing, all the buttons and the scripts, they're in nice condition. You do tend to get a slightly scratched plastic around here just with watches and rings, but you can tell it's been well looked after. So if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. We're just about to throw this into the showroom, so you'll see it nice and dry if you decide to come down. The red, the upgrade wheels, the contrasting black roof, it is a very pretty car. Fantastic roofs on these also, so they're like a triple ply, fantastic for sound deadening, obviously keeping the warmth, the heat. They're just an all-round fantastic car. So anything further, please do get in touch. you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.